gave the bike 300 horsepower. And he's out.
I don't know if it was actually.
Okay. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Alright, so project today. Get off this rim tape off the rim. Clean my chain. Because my chain looks a little dirty. Maybe clean the rim off some more. Put some new rim tape on there. T needs to put stickers on her bike. Her bike, and yeah, so that's the goal. I even got all my little stuff here. Let's get it shaking. Let's get it shaking, bacon. Alright, I got Yoga the biker out here. She didn't like me in her video because I flicked her off. So I got my bike on the bike stand, which was already hard because we're on a slanted hill. It's okay though. It seemed pretty solid. Shouldn't fall over. And then I got T doing her screws. She's taking off all her screws. And then she's replacing all of these with blue ones, and then she's gonna put on her little stickers. So that's her little screws.
Those are for the ones. Right?
She trying to be a professional. Yes, my love. Yes. All right, go ahead and get started because you got a lot. Okay. You got a lot of work to do and a lot of bolts to replace, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, guys, let's get it shaking. All right, so this is the Gooba Gone stuff I got. And hopefully it'll work to get this stuff off. So we'll see. We'll see. Put this thing around my neck. Right back.
Videography, photography.
Alright, yo. Look at that. That Goopa Gone actually did its job. So now I got a Goopa Gone the whole bike. Shouldn't take me long. But we about to see. It did. It did its job. You did your job. Let's go. Alright, so I finished it. Okay. See that my second go around I was good. Now my first go around was not that good at all, but I mean I can't complain. It's me. I ain't like paying no shop to do it, so it's a little off, but it's just like me. It's a little off. Look good though. Look good from far away. Looks pretty straight. I doubled up on one of the stickers over here, so you can kind of see it's like kind of got the Yamaha in there though. Yeah. Now I gotta do the front. So I get that front. We're gonna be live, boy. We're gonna be live. See, it was white. Switching out. And T and her little boats. It took her 30 minutes to figure out what she wanted to do with this one boat. Did she want to make it sticker or not? And I was like, yeah, just go ahead. Just do that.
It didn't take me 30 minutes. But it took me quite a bit of time trying to change up this.
Alright. This is the second half of, look at that. Look at that. Look at that rim. Look at that. The Gooba Gone work. Of course, this stuff right here, you ain't gonna see that because I have the rim tape going around it. This stuff right here, it not only smells much better than Gooba Gone, but it actually works better than Gooba Gone. I know with Gooba Gone, sometimes you have to add heat and it'll work with that. But I didn't even have to put that much on for it. I didn't even have to do any extra stuff. So I'm gonna run some water over it real quick and then start adding my rim tape. And then I'll move on to the front section of the bike. Yeah. Got that all black going on. Okay. Clean it out. Got that Gooba Gone, better version of Gooba Gone on there. And then I do some all-purpose cleaner on there. Got that sign back. Alright, about ready to throw some water on it. And add that red to it. Watch it pop. Let's do it. Let's do it to it. Yeah, just clean that chain so you can see that wheel up close.